Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this KEEPWISE Wi-Fi and Bluetooth projector. This works for both desktop like Windows, Mac, and it also works for iOS or Android. So this is great as a TV alternative. You just need a projector screen and then you can project the image. Super high quality. You can adjust the focus right here. And then you've got simple controls on top, power button, menu button, stuff like that. And it has a mount on the bottom, so you can put this on a tripod if you want. Overall, very high quality. Here is the power cable included. You've also got this nice remote here, so you can go ahead and control everything straight from the remote. You don't need to get up out of bed. You've also got an included HDMI cable, and you've got this cable here for the audio and for the visuals if you prefer to do it that way. But it's got an included speaker, so you got everything you need to have a fantastic movie night straight from your phone and have it project onto a big screen. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.